Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about a question 20. It's a short answer question. But before we proceed to solve the question, I would like to go over some of the knowledge. As you see, we have a few questions here. The first one, square root 7x. In here, square root 7 and x, they are in multiplication. So my question is, I am able to separate them. Square root 7x, yes, I can separate them. So how to separate them is gonna be square root 7 times square root x. So keep in your mind, so if you have under same root two numbers in multiplication, you are able to separate them. Square root 7 times square root x. Second piece of information you need to answer the next question. 2 times square root 7. When you multiply an integer or whole number and a radical number, are you able to combine them? So my question, when you multiply them, so are you able to put them under the same root, like 2 times 7 is equal to 14? Do you think this is correct? No, it's not correct. You are not able to combine them. You can think this is like terms. Whole numbers and radical numbers, they are not like terms. They are different, like apples and oranges. You cannot combine them, but you can write them all together. So it's gonna be 2 root 7. So 2 root 7, it means 2 times square root 7 or 2 root 7, they are the same thing. My next type of question here, 3 times 5 root 7. So I have two whole number or two integer number here. They are in multiplication. It's like combining like terms. You can combine them, but this square root 7, it is a different number. It is a radical number. You cannot combine them. So first of all, 3 times 5 is equal to 15. And put square root 7 to the end. So you can put them all together, but you cannot combine them. 15 square root 7 is the correct answer for that. Next level is 8 root 5 is equal to y root 5. So according to equal sign, I have root 5 on the left side, I have another root 5 on the right side, and they are in multiplication. It works only they are in multiplication. If they are in addition or subtraction, you cannot do that. So in order to cancel square root 5, one from left, one from right, I'm gonna divide each side by root 5. So square root 5 will be cancelled, square root will be cancelled. I'm gonna find y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 or 8 is equal to y. They are exactly the same thing, so don't get confused. They are exactly the same value of y. So my next question, square root x is equal to 7. I'm going to write it down here one more time because it's not enough space left over there. Here the question is, I need to find the value of x, but I have a radical number root here, square root here, and I would like to cancel this to find the value of x. Don't forget, if you would like to cancel a square root, just take square both sides. When you take square both sides, this square will cancel the square root, just x will be left on the left side. 7 square is 49. From here, value of x is 49. Now you have enough knowledge to be able to answer next question. Let's go to the next question. Alright, for this question, if a is equal to 5 root 2 and 2a or 2 times a is equal to square root 2x, what's the value of x? I need to find the value of x. I'm gonna rewrite the 2a is equal to square root 2x under here. It will be 2a is equal to square root 2x. Now I know value of a is equal to 5 root 5. In here I'm going to replace a with 5 root 2. So it will be 2 times 5 root 2. I did not like this 5. I will replace that. Right, this is better. is equal to root 2x. So here I can combine like terms as you learn in the remember section. 2 times 5 is equal to 10 root 2. And on the right side, I have two numbers in multiplication under the root. So square root 2x, this is there 2 times x. I can separate them, write them separately as a radical number. So they are gonna be square root 2 times square root x. So now everything is in multiplication. I have one square root on the left side and one square root on the right side. So what I am supposed to do to cancel square root 2, I need to divide each side by square root 2 to cancel square root 2 from the equation. So from here, square root 2 has been cancelled, square root 2 and square root 2 has been cancelled on the right side. So what left? 10 is equal to square root x. So, and then last step, here square root x here, I need to find value of x. This is not gonna give me the value of x. If you think answer is 10, unfortunately your answer will not be correct. So you need to cancel this square root. In order to cancel square root, as you learn in the remember section, you need to take square each side. So 10 square is equal to what? 10 square is equal to 100 equals, and on the right side this square will cancel this square root, just x will be left. So I got the value of x is equal to 100. Now the question how to bubble it on the SAT math answer sheet. So if I were you, I will start from the left and type a digit for each square, 1 0 0, and then I will just bubble 1 under this square, bubble 0 under this, and same for that. So this is my correct answer, 100. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.